Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, it is a wig rejuvenation. I am replacing the band. I washed and cleaned her up, and I want to show you guys exactly where I place the band for a lace closure wig. And I think it's the same technique I use in the frontal, but it has a different look. But this is for the closure, so let's just keep it with the closure. So guys, pay close attention. I'm not going to say much. If you have any questions, just leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to handle it for you. So basically, I just wanted to get on here and show you guys where I place the band, because it's kind of important where you place it. And I know a lot of you guys think that placing the band on the lace is wrong, but if you're doing a frontal, that's where you have to do it. And if it's only a frontal, it's not good to go back to where the cap starts. You need to place the band on the lace for it to have a nice pullage and a nice snug fit. So before I let you guys pay close attention and take whatever you can from this and add it to your own technique, if it's your first time here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is wigs, tutorials, how-tos, unboxings, which I haven't done in a while, reviews. I do it on Amazon though, and I will leave the link in my description box below where you can check out my storefront. I also love to do finger waves, cutting, how to make wigs, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. If you're willing to learn something, just add it to your own technique. Just hit the subscribe button and I will love on you over here. So me myself, guys, I love this length, because you can like wear it very versatile. But my model wants it a little bit shorter, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to trim it down now a little bit for you guys, and I'll be right back. So I actually can't go too short because this isn't a quick weave. I actually sewed this unit. So basically I'm just cutting it down a little bit shorter. I'm not going as tight as I would if it was a quick weave because, but this is not meant to go so tight. So guys, if you watch my channel, you know that I have a wig on here that I am giving away. It's the blonde wig, quick weave with finger waves, lace closure. All you have to do is go press like on that video, either one. The first one, get it to 100 likes, leave a comment, and I'll pick someone from the comment section to give the unit to. So now I'm just gonna mold her down and get her ready for when her owner gets here, and I'll style it on the model's head. So I use a lot of body mousse to create these waves, and I'm just gonna use my Marcel curling irons when she gets here. I'm just creating some shadow waves. I'm gonna put some more in the back, nothing too much because I'm actually, like I said, I'm gonna use my Marcel curling irons. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to leave a like. I have another style coming for you guys. I actually don't really always style my units. It's just to show you guys how to put the unit together, how to create the unit. It's not about always styling if I'm doing a mannequin, but what I'm doing here, I'm just molding her up and getting her ready for her mom. So see you guys in the next video, and I hope you enjoy.